Taylor Swift, she's got a big tour going on. She's been in the news. Her, the Ticketmaster debacle that came on with her and all that stuff. I think if I were her, I would be extra careful about pissing people off. For some reason, her merch truck is parked outside of the place ticketed people can go. So anybody can go if you don't have a ticket to the show and just buy merch, which I guess in one hand, that's smart. But what they're not doing, or what they didn't do up until a few weeks ago, is put a cap on things. So people were showing up at the merch truck, the day before, camping out, walking up there and buying them out, buying everything I had, cases and cases of sweatshirts or whatever, so they can resell them on eBay or whatever. This story is from a radio station, I guess. What's going on with Taylor Swift merch and how can it be fixed? I don't know if you read into it, like this is she's got 9 million followers. She's an influencer. She showed up the day before. These are people, lines start forming at 7:00 in the morning for merch for the store. But this is not even the worst thing. Well, here's one, everybody booing this reseller that bought entire boxes of crew necks. But that's not really the worst part. Well, here's all this. I mean, there's all kinds of merch stuff. I'll leave a link to all this so you can see it. I mean, the stuff's cute and all, but then this other problem is people are washing their stuff and it's getting ruined because the ink wasn't cured right or whatever. They're claiming their new shirts are fading after just one wash. They've taken to TikTok to show how designs have faded or cracked after washing. Some fans speculate that the issue may be due to the quality of the ink or the washing instructions not being clear. If you pay 50 or 60 or $100 for a shirt and you wash it, it's bullshit if the ink washes off. How good is that? You can't print a t-shirt with disappearing ink, Taylor Swift. Golly.